Here are 37 of the stupidest drivers you will ever see. Before we continue, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. This average-sized car is holding a seemingly never-ending number of people.
What the hell?
Two cars get sideswiped by a car driving the wrong way down a one-way road.
To be safer as he neared retirement. Public health officials in Manchester say they'll start mass testing of students for coronavirus after an outbreak at a university forced hundreds into self-isolation. And one of India's biggest film stars.
A guy starts spilling gas while filling up his car. A truck carrying a large load hits every cone on the road. An armored tank drives into a crowd.
Whoa.
A driver taking a left gets totally cut off by another car. A driver with a broken gas pedal gets creative. A car on the highway can't figure out what he wants to do and seems to have a bit of road rage. A truck doing donuts smashes into a lamppost. A car tries to merge lanes and nearly hits another car. A car tries to merge without looking, but this time it's a cop. A car backs up a bit too fast and smashes into a parked car. This car nearly gets squashed by a semi going the wrong way down the road. A drunk driver loses control, smashing into a pole, nearly hitting a mom and a daughter. A driver on the interstate intentionally sideswipes cars.
It's almost like he is intentionally hitting cars, it looks like.
I don't know.
Look.
Oh, look at right there inside that vehicle. But again,
At least he hit the brakes a little bit.
Oh, but you see how close he gets to these
Oh
cars?
my God. And he hit him intentionally.
Right there.
Right there.
He just
He's
wants to-
intentionally hitting people. Look at this.
Right there.
Oh my gosh. He lost control.
Uh-oh. There it is.
Okay.
A car runs a red light and almost T-bones another car. A car tries to quickly turn into the left lane and completely smashes up another car. A truck gets stuck on train tracks and gets demolished by an oncoming train. man stands on his car as it drives on the highway. This motorcycle nearly gets run off the road by a car. This car on the highway didn't pay attention to the car in front of him. A car on the highway recklessly swerves in between cars. A car tries to slip between two other cars and gets itself flipped. Someone accidentally sets their exhaust pipe on fire. A car running a red light gets T-boned by another car, which ends up saving the life of a mother and her kids. A car driving down the wrong side of a mountain road ends up in a head-on collision with a truck. Two drivers brake just in time to avoid an idiot running a red light. A car realizes it's gone the wrong way and holds up an entire lane of traffic while they figure out what to do. A car and a tanker truck collide at an intersection, causing the tanker to catch fire. An idiot driving backwards down the road accidentally rams into two parked cars.
Oh no! Oh!
A speeding car hits a parked vehicle and is sent flying. The car tries to overtake a motorcycle and ends up taking the cyclist's boot straight off his foot. Two semis crash headfirst into each other. The car loses control and smashes into two barriers and even catches on fire.
Oh my God!
A vehicle trying to tow another car on some rough roads ends up running them both into a ditch.
This guy.
This car just can't seem to drive in a straight line. A car super speeds the wrong way down a road. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to never miss our videos. Watch the videos on screen now.